In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in your Audi 3 or 4 button key fob. You'll notice two tabs at the key ring end of the remote. Squeeze the two ends together and lift up to remove the physical key. Next, you'll want to remove the battery compartment. To do so, squeeze the same two tabs together again. While squeezing the tabs together, use a flathead screwdriver to push up on the top groove of the battery compartment and it'll slide right out. Simply lift the battery out to replace. These Audi key fobs use 1CR 2032 button battery. You can find a link to the battery in the description below. Replace with a new battery, ensuring the positive side is facing down. Next, slide the battery compartment back so it snaps in place. Now replace the physical key. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.